Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send audio files on Instagram Message. The first thing you will need to do is download the Google Drive app, as you can see right here. And the Google Drive app is available on both Android and iOS device. Once you have downloaded the app, you are going to simply tap on the plus in the bottom right hand corner. And from here you can select upload. Then you will select browse, and you can select the folder or the file that the audio file is in that you would like to share. For example, this one right here, you can simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, it will automatically be uploaded, as you can see right there. Then you can tap on locate, and you will see it right here. And to share it, you'll simply tap on the three dots in line with its name. Then you're going to tap on manage access. And right where you see restricted, you're going to tap on that. Then tap on restricted again. And you'll select anyone with the link. Once you have done that, you're going to go back. Tap on back again. Now you're going to tap on it again, as you can see right here. Then tap
to uninstall an
tap
app
on the three
Samsung
dots.
TV.
Tap on the three dots, and from here you can simply tap on copy link. And you'll be able to go into Instagram now. Then you'll simply select messages, and you can select the person that you would like to share it with. Then tap on send, and you'll simply paste the link right there. Then tap on send, and that's it. So now all that persons need to do is simply open the message and tap on the link, and they will be able to listen to your audio, and they will also be able to download it. As you can see right here, the download icon is at the top of the screen. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.